I eat breakfast today. I eat breakfast today. Do you like eggs? Do you like eggs? I love fresh bread. I love fresh bread. Butter is very tasty. Butter is very tasty. Drink some hot coffee. Drink some hot coffee. I drink cold milk. I drink cold milk. Eat some sweet fruit. Eat some sweet fruit. Cereal is very crunchy. Cereal is very crunchy. Sugar goes in tea. Sugar goes in tea. I want orange juice. I want orange juice. The toast is ready. The toast is ready. Cheese is for breakfast. Cheese is for breakfast. Bacon is very salty. Bacon is very salty. Honey is very sweet. Honey is very sweet. I need a spoon. I need a spoon. Pour the hot tea. Pour the hot tea. Do you eat pancakes? Do you eat pancakes? Put jam on toast. Put jam on toast. Water is healthy today. Water is healthy today. I prefer dark coffee. I prefer dark coffee. Cut the yellow cheese. Cut the yellow cheese. Eggs are for breakfast. Eggs are for breakfast. Clean your empty plate. Clean your empty plate. This meal is good. This meal is good. Let us eat now. Let us eat now.